Hello everyone, I hope your summer is off to a fabulous start. Today I want to talk about something that can make or break the look of your install: die lots. A die lot is a specific batch number that the turf is manufactured from, and even small differences between die lots can lead to noticeable color variations. Just because the product name and specs are the same doesn't mean the color will match perfectly if it's from a different batch. This becomes a real issue when you order turf for a project in phases. If you install one section now and another a few weeks later with a different die lot, you may see a shift in color once it's down. Matching turf from a previous install can also be tricky. Even if it's the same product, environmental exposure and wear can change the appearance over time. That's why it's important to plan ahead. Here's the bottom line: order your turf all at once whenever possible. Stick with a single die lot for the entire job. And if you're coming back to match an older section, understand that blending will be the key. And it still might not be perfect. Die lot variations are real, and if you don't stay on top of it, it can cost you in callbacks and rework. Respect the die lot, track your rolls, and install with intention. Come join me next time where I got some really cool information to talk about. Until next time, JW out.